Hello everyone, this is Pravi5 signing in with another video on Himalayan 450. Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for all your support. So basically all of you guys know that I ride the Himalayan 450. So this particular video is going to be one of the maintenance videos on the bike. Since the time I got my Himalayan, that's May 2024, I've done the firmware update twice. So this particular video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to do the firmware update on the bike. This applies to both Himalayan and Gorilla because they share the same meter console. So firstly, for many reasons the meter console has been a very useful thing, but one major inconvenience I would say on the meter console is the navigation, which kind of mirrors the Google Maps from your mobile device, and until we want to see the navigation in the meter console, our mobile has to stay unlocked. So I hope they have fixed this by now. I have not tried it yet. So let's get in. Let's see the step-by-step procedure to do that. Firstly, you will need to switch on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data in your mobile device. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to connect to your meter console, and mobile data to download the firmware or software updates. So all these three need to be switched on. I hope you have already paired your mobile device with the bike's dash. So we will get on with the next steps on how to do the upgrade. Firstly, open up Royal Enfield app, click on the three dashes on the top, click on My Devices. Once you see that your device is already connected to the meter console, click on the three dots. Now click on Tripper Dash Settings. On the firmware version, you will see the Install Update button. Click on that and then your device will start updating. So you will see different sections taking its own time to get the update done. Just wait for it. It might take about 10 minutes for the entire update to finish. Don't do anything, just wait for the update to happen on its own. You will need approximately 50 to 60% of your mobile battery. Once the update is done, the meter console will reboot itself. So that's about it, folks. The firmware update is done now. I will run some tests on the meter console and let you know if there are any updates on that. Most importantly, we will get to know the Google Map navigation and how that connects with the mobile device and all. Just in case I've left out any information, or if you guys have any questions, please post them in the comments. Thank you for all your support. This is Pravi5 signing out. Ciao.